this is Jay and welcome back to my channel. I have a fun and exciting video for you today. My Project E Beauty LumaGlow Red and Blue Light Therapy came in and I cannot wait to unbox it for you. My skin these days is begging for attention and I'm breaking out all over and my skin is super oily. Project E Beauty reached out to me to try out their newly launched product. I'm super excited for this and cannot wait to treat my skin and give it the time and pampering it needed. The LumaGlow Light Therapy utilizes red and blue LED photon to treat a variety of skin conditions. Study shows that LED light therapy is effective for treating several aspects of skin aging. It also suggests that therapy can reduce the appearance of fine wrinkles, rough skin, shallowness of the flesh, and mottled hyperpigmentation. A few studies have also suggested this therapy can cut down on the types of bacteria that cause spots and pimples. This might also help to eliminate breakouts and minimize the level of scar tissue. So the kit includes the main unit. The manual it comes with will show you the different function that it has, the red and blue replacement head, charging cable. I'm so glad that this has charging cable instead of battery operated system. And it also comes with eye protector. Before you first use the device, charge it for 3 hours. For charging, simply connect the USB cable to common 5V USB power source and then connect the cable to the charging jack on the device. Also, make sure you read the manual before using the device. There's even a light sensitivity test you can do to make sure your skin won't react to light. Once your device is ready and you read all the info needed to operate the device safely, you can now enjoy the derma-like experience this device offers. The red LED setting said to improve collagen, albumen, hyperplasia, accelerate blood circulation, also reduce wrinkles, fine lines, and spots, firm and enhance skin texture, and improve skin elasticity. On the other hand, blue LED setting said to adjust skin sebum secretion, anti-inflammation, fight acne, and balance skin tone. That is all for this unboxing. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Bye!